What's up guys, it's me Geek. So this is a 4-in-1 OTG reader for the iPhone, for everything. Okay, let me just connect and then let me just put a SD card. First I wanna connect with my phone and then see. Okay, this is the micro, this is the regular. Okay, here is my Xiaomi Mix 5G. So let me connect it. Okay, with the USB-C, right? Okay, here we go. Is it working on a file manager? Go to I don't think so. I need external file manager. It's not working. Solid. Okay, yeah, this one. Let me get this one and install. Okay, just installing. Open. Let's hope it's gonna work. Allow. Is this working? Try period internal. Why the hell is not showing up anything? Preparing USB. Let's see. Okay, yeah, now it's working. Okay, it's working on the Android, which is a good sign, to be honest with you. Oh no, it just fell down. But right now, do it work on the stupid iPad? Because I think so you need an app, otherwise it will not work with a native file manager. This is the iPad Air 3. So let me just close this one and this one, and then let me take out the lightning one. Here we go with the lightning. Let me connect it. File manager, allow. Okay, I installed the app. I installed the app called iUSB. As you can see, it's showing me it's not connected. Let me just put the micro SD and then see. And then let's try like this. Okay, and now it's connected. It's working. What are in the native file manager? More location. Okay, this is not working natively. This work, the Sandix work, but this shit is not working. Can I recommend the most properly? No. Only I can recommend is using with this like stupid iUSB app. Yeah, it only work with the iUSB. Can I recommend it again? If you want to make something work with file manager, then it will not work. You need to download the app called iUSB. Again, when you for first time insert, it will automatically tell you. So yeah, if you just need a easy OTG reader, then I can recommend. Otherwise, look elsewhere. It was me.